Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to share top 20 most important questions related to human anatomy and physiology, especially thorax and skull. Question number 1. What is the number of true, false and floating ribs in man? Option A 6 to 3, option B 7 to 4, option C 6 3 4, option D 7 3 2. Correct answer option D 7 3 2. Question number 2. Which ribs have buckle handle type of movements? Option A rib number 1 to rib number 3 to 5, rib number 6 to 10, rib number 11 to 12. Correct answer option C, rib number 6 to 10. Question number 3. Which of the following is a breastbone? Option A scapula, option B ribs, option C sternum, option D clavicle. Correct answer option C sternum. Question number 4. Scapula is a large triangular flat bone situated in the dorsal part of the thorax between option A the second and fifth ribs, option B second and seventh ribs, option C third and seventh ribs, option D fourth and seventh ribs. Correct answer option B second and seventh ribs. Question number 5. Name the upper handle-like part found in sternum. Option A xiphoid cartilage, option B manubrium, option C body, option D facet. Correct answer option B manubrium. Question number 6. Which of the following disease is associated with ribs? Option A synovitis, B bursitis, C rickets, D beriberi. Correct answer option C rickets. Question number 7. Which part of human skeleton forms the helmet for the protection of human brain? Option A temporal bone, option B hyoid bone, option C mandible, option D cranium. Correct answer of this question option D cranium. Question number 8. Human cranium has bones. Option A 12, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. Correct answer option C 8. Question number 9. Name of the tongue bone is option A frontal bone, B zygomatic bone, C hyoid bone, option D mandible. Correct answer of this question option C hyoid bone. Question number 10. Man has dicondylic skull with craniostylic jaw suspension. Option A true, option B false. Correct answer option A true. Question number 11. Through which apparatus brain is continuous with the spinal cord? A palatinus, B foramen magnum, C cranial cavity, option D foramen maxilla. Correct answer option B foramen magnum. Question number 12. How many bones are present in a human skull? Option A 30, option B 28, option C 29, option D 31. Correct answer option C 29. Question number 13. Ear ocical incus is modified form of jugal bone, quadrate bone, articular bone, hyomandibular bone. Correct answer option B quadrate bone. Question number 14. Parietal pericardial is derived from option A somatic mesoderm, option B splenic endoderm, option C somatic endoderm, option D splenic mesoderm. Correct answer option A somatic mesoderm. Question number 15. Which is related with heart venous drainage? Option A aortic sinus, option B coronary sinus, option C carotid sinus, option D none. Correct answer option B coronary sinus. Question number 16. Left subclavian artery is the branch of option A ascending aorta, option B arc of aorta, option C descending aorta, option D brachiocephalic artery. Correct answer option B arc of aorta. Question number 17. Fluid aspiration from pleural cavity is called thoracocynetesis, amniocentesis, paracynetesis, clidocentesis. Correct answer option A thoracocentesis. Question number 18. Great cardiac vein drain into option A anterior cardiac vein, B vena cordis minimum, option C coronary sinus, option D small cardiac vein. Correct answer option C coronary sinus. Question number 19. All structures are present in interior of right atrium except option A crista terminalis, B triangle of Koch, C sulcus terminalis, option D musculi. Correct answer option C sulcus terminalis. Question number 20. True about the content of inferior posterior mediastinum. Option A superior vena cava, B thoracic duct, C heart, D sternopericardial ligament. Correct answer option B thoracic duct.